Welcome back to Car Updater, everyone. Today, we're exploring the future of America's land-based nuclear defense with the LGM-35A Sentinel, also known as the Ground-Based Strategic Deterrent, or GBSD. This missile is still in development, but it promises to replace the aging Minuteman III ICBMs and become the backbone of the United States strategic nuclear forces for decades to come. The need for the LGM-35A Sentinel arose from the fact that the Minuteman III, which has served the US for more than 50 years, is approaching the end of its operational life. While it has been continuously upgraded, the missile and its infrastructure are becoming outdated. The Sentinel program is designed to ensure that America maintains a credible, reliable, and modern deterrent against potential nuclear threats in the 21st century. The development of the Sentinel is one of the largest defense projects currently underway in the United States. It is a multi-billion-dollar effort led by the U.S. Air Force, with support from major defense contractors. Engineers are focusing not only on replacing the missile itself but also on modernizing the silos, command systems, and support infrastructure that allow these missiles to remain ready at a moment's notice. The LGM-35A Sentinel is designed to be highly advanced, with improved accuracy, reliability, and safety compared to older ICBMs. While specific details are classified, it is known that the missile will use solid-fuel rocket stages, which allow for rapid launch capability and reduced maintenance requirements. Its guidance and navigation systems are being upgraded with the latest technology to ensure extreme precision over intercontinental distances. Unlike older missiles, the Sentinel is being designed with modular components. This means that it can be more easily maintained and upgraded in the future, keeping it effective against evolving threats. The focus on modernization also includes enhanced cybersecurity measures, ensuring that the missile's command and control systems are protected against any potential attacks in today's digital age. The LGM-35A is expected to be deployed in existing Minuteman III silos at strategic locations across the United States. These silos are heavily reinforced underground structures, designed to protect the missile from both natural disasters and potential attacks. By using existing infrastructure, the Sentinel program aims to reduce costs while still providing a state-of-the-art defense system. One of the most important aspects of the Sentinel program is its role in deterrence. The missile is part of a broader strategy to prevent nuclear conflict by ensuring that the United States can respond decisively to any attack. This means the LGM-35A is not just a weapon, it is a symbol of stability and security, designed to discourage any potential adversary from considering a nuclear strike. The Sentinel program is also expected to improve safety and environmental compliance.